Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share any Quizlet from the Quizlet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the home page, from which you can directly start from various different quizzes. Now, if you come across any quiz that you wish to share with someone else, then simply open up this quiz and you will now be able to view the details right away. Now, in order to share, just click on the share button at the top, which will now open up the sharing link for this particular Quizlet. Just tap on the copy button and then paste it within your message to send to your friends or any person who you wish to send this Quizlet to. Alternatively, you can also directly use various other applications to send the link to your friends. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to share any Quizlet from the Quizlet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.